At Harvest ETFs, we use a simple, powerful approach to investing. We begin by identifying growth industries or megatrends. Growth industries have strong long-term growth prospects powered by structural forces. Megatrends are areas of opportunity created by rapid changes in technology, social preferences, or economic circumstances. We then capture those opportunities by investing in high-quality businesses. We see these businesses as the best assets to own for long-term capital appreciation. We focus on these businesses because they lead growth industries and megatrends. They have also been the key to creation and the preservation of wealth over time. When we believe a portfolio is well suited to income generation, we then apply a covered call strategy. This strategy generates consistent, tax-efficient monthly income for investors. These three key factors make the Harvest formula unique: the identification of growth industries or megatrends, a focus on high-quality businesses, and the use of covered call strategies where appropriate. We remain dedicated to this approach. It's a straightforward, effective strategy for the creation and preservation of wealth.